Hello everyone, in this video, let's continue number 4. Marianne adds a 125 moles of helium to a balloon that already contained 4.51 moles of helium, creating a balloon with a volume of 8.97 liters. What was the volume of the balloon before the addition of extra gas? So, this problem was called Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. This is an N1. Let's continue for number 4. So N1 is equals to 1.25 moles. 1.25 moles. And N2, which is 4.51 moles. This is an N2. 4.51 moles. And volume 1, which is 8.97 liters. We have volume 1 here equals 8.97 liters. So the unknown is what was the volume of the balloon. So this is a volume 2. Okay, volume 2 is unknown. Solution. Solution. The formula of volume, Avogadro's law, which is B1 over N1 is equals to B2 over N2. So you need to cross the multiply. So B1 times N2 equals to B2 times N1. So you need to divide both sides by N1. Divide both sides by N1. So cancel out. So B1 times N2 divided by N1 is equals to volume 2. So equals to volume 2 equals to B1, which is 8.97 liters. So 8.97 liters times the N2, which is 4.51 moles. 4.51 moles. And the N1, which is 1.25 moles here. 1.25 moles. So you need to cancel out by mole, and the left is liters. So equals to volume 2. So 8.97 times 4.5 divided by 1.25. So equals to 32.29 liters. So that is the final answer. So let's continue in number 5.